We're here today to talk about 133 West 95th Street, which is a really special property, Upper West Side, prime location, but to become the masterpiece that we have in front of us needs a little bit of work, right? So let's walk through, and Mike, I'd love to hear about the vision you've created here.
Yeah, so some of the big points that I think are important whenever you walk into a house. The first one is just how big it feels and how comfortable you are in the space as you're looking, hopefully all the way to the back. You're able to see green the whole way through. You've got these through views. And you've got living to dining to kitchen to this cool banquette, which is my second favorite thing of the house,
right,
where you've got what will feel like a screened-in porch. You'll have a skylight above. You've got windows all around, sliding door out into the deck, creating kind of this indoor-outdoor experience. From there, you've got this big den downstairs, which also has this indoor-outdoor experience. Over 30 feet deep, it's got its wet bar, big mudroom for bikes and strollers and other things, which is so difficult to have in the city. Yep. Coming upstairs, the other thing I love is just the house lays out so well to get these really nice proportioned full width rooms on every floor. So you've got these 5 bedrooms up here that are super comfortable.
For the primary suite here, how do you envision a buyer using this big space here? Because you have, everything is connected, so it could be closed off. I think most people probably use that just as a primary floor. Is that how you envisioned it when you're putting it together?
100%. So I think people want to have the ability to close this door and this door, both doors, into the hallway, so you can walk through the bathroom, through the closet, and into the back or into the front. Now, do you want your office in the front or in the back? I don't know. You don't have to make a decision with this floor plan. It works both ways, which is nice. You may have somebody who also might want to use one for a baby room now, or actually they were a big family and they want to use it as a bedroom. I think it's really flexible and it allows for that, but I find that a lot of families like to have the ability to have their private zone.
And then you have this addition on the roof, which I think people don't realize how special those spaces feel when they're done, because you do get that penthouse type of light up there, and it ends up being so unexpected. As you go up the stairs, you find this like bonus space that you didn't think was there because it doesn't show from the front of the house. What are you thinking in terms of interiors? I know this is like an advanced question to ask you when we've got some drawings in front of us, but what do you think for a house like this with the facade, the location, and the layout you've created? What kind of style do you think ends up in this house?
I think you want something that's a bit modern, but also clean and warm. You're buying a townhouse. You want to feel like you're going into a townhouse, and a townhouse where the parlor's got a pretty decent ceiling height. So I've got some room for some trim, but I might want to keep it minimal. I want to keep the scale large so that it feels like, again, I'm buying a townhouse. I want to have floors that have a good feel to them, a wider plank or a comfortable plank, something that feels natural. I love a rift in quartered oak. Something that just, again, has that view where the floor also traverses all the way to the back. And then the stair wants to be something that just feels sculptural. You want that natural wood handrail, but you also want it to just feel sculptural. You want it to just have your eye just traverse the whole way up.
Sure. Mike, we're looking forward to utilizing this to help people see the vision of what this can be. And then, hopefully if it all works out, I'm looking forward to coming back after we sell it, maybe like 2-3 years down the road, and seeing what the finished product looks like.
Great, thank you guys.